Imagine a city vanishing in an instant, leaving behind nothing but rubble and ash. That's precisely what happened on August 6, 1945, when the first atomic bomb, codenamed Little Boy, leveled Hiroshima, Japan. 70,000 lives obliterated in the blink of an eye, with tens of thousands more to follow from radiation sickness and injuries. Now picture the scene 3 days later, when a second bomb, Fat Man, decimated Nagasaki. The combined death toll from these two events is estimated to be between 125,000 to 250,000 individuals. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to wiping out the entire population of Orlando, Florida. These catastrophic events were the culmination of a top-secret project that began years earlier in 1939, with a letter from Albert Einstein to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Einstein warned of the potential for a superbomb and the risk of Germany developing it first. This warning gave rise to the Manhattan Project, a covert operation involving the brightest minds of the time, working tirelessly to unlock the destructive power of the atom. The Enola Gay, a Boeing B-29 Superfortress bomber, dropped the first atomic bomb over Hiroshima. The crew, unaware of the exact nature of their cargo, could only watch in awe and horror as a mushroom cloud bloomed over the city, signaling a new age of warfare. The impact of these bombings extends far beyond the physical destruction they wrought. The world was thrust into the atomic age, an era defined by the threat of nuclear warfare. It was an era of fear, of Cold War and arms races, of children practicing duck and cover drills in school. But it was also an era of reflection and reckoning. The horrors of Hiroshima and Nagasaki forced humanity to confront the devastating power it wielded. It sparked debates on the ethics of warfare, on the responsibility that comes with scientific discovery, and on the value of human life. The atomic bomb didn't just end World War II, it changed the world forever. It's a reminder of our capacity for destruction, but also of our potential for growth. As we remember the events of 1945, we must also reflect on the lessons learned. We must strive to ensure that the horrors of Hiroshima and Nagasaki remain in the past, never to be repeated. We must remember the value of peace, the importance of diplomacy, and the preciousness of every human life. As we delve into the details of the atomic bomb and its impact, we invite you to ponder the weight of these events. Consider the power we wield, the choices we make, and the world we shape. For it's only through understanding our past that we can truly shape our future. Thank you for joining us on this journey into history. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep reflecting.